From the same material as the other lances, we've created the Power Wash, a telescopic pressure-fed pull, 65% carbon, the rest is fiberglass. It's a great sturdy hybrid lance. It reaches a work height of 8 meters or 26 feet with high pressure. It comes standard with a nozzle that creates a vertical water spray. It has a 22 millimeter connection so that you can attach your own equipment or nozzle on the lance. For example, a turbo nozzle or something similar. The clamps are the same as with the basic and Pro Reach. It has a water gun attached, and this buckle is for the isuit. I'll explain in a minute what this element is for. I've attached the lance to the pressure washer. The machine has a pressure of 130 bar and blasts 9 liters per minute. The isuit is also supplied with a circular water pipe. What is this element for? Well, it's made for the Power Wash lance, made for a little more static work. I'll show you how it works. Put it on just like you would hoist a backpack. Lock the 2 straps. Make sure it's nice and tight. First the waist, and then the chest strap. And this is why this clamp is attached on the lance here, just above the yellow part here. I have a buckle here. It should attach right here. So what I'm going to try and demonstrate is the ability to easily control high pressure washing on a height of about 8 meters or 26 feet. And I'll show you the balance that the lance has now and is even operational with one hand. This is of course not my official advice, but it's just to showcase the strength and stability of the balance with the isuit. This is normally classified under heavy duty work, and I'll show you that it's just a lot lighter with the isuit. Total control. Easy as that.